Crude moved higher this morning as EIA inventory data showed a drawdown of 1.8 million barrels relative to analyst estimates of a build in supply. This is a big turnaround from 4 consecutive weeks where we've seen an increase in supply. Joining me from the floor of the NYMEX is Jeff Grossman of BRG Brokerage. Jeff, give us your take on this.
Like you just said, a little bit of a surprise here. The crude inventories did draw a little bit more than people were thinking about, and the market is behaving very friendly toward that. I will say this, I'm not getting on the bull bandwagon by any means. We're right at the top of our trading range. I think at best you could hope for maybe 101.5 at the most on the upside, so there's maybe another $0.50 at max on the upside here in this market. What I was a little surprised about is how weak and continually weak the products have been in relation to crude. The gasoline and heating oil have been decimated against crude oil in the last 5 sessions or so, and I'm still waiting for them to really find their footing, because I do believe that they should stretch their legs against crude as far as the crack values are concerned.
It's interesting to hear you say that, because going into the session, we saw the ETF-related stocks, like USO, for example, where it was sitting right on that 200-day moving average, essentially confirming what we've seen in crude over the past few weeks. There really has not been much conviction there. Even WTI, it was really trying hard to stay on that $100 level. So, you're pretty convicted that there's still time here. There's no reason to necessarily jump in at this point.
I'm certainly not looking for them to be much more room on the upside. In fact, I still am a little bit surprised that we're even over that $100 level, if you want to know the truth.
Right.
I thought we were on our way to just drifting back to about the mid-90s, which is where we were before some of this Ukrainian issues came into play and the like. So again, this market is way above where I think it is. And on the other hand, I'm a little surprised. Like I said, to me, the gasoline and heating oil could be higher. So in actuality, to me, in both directions, I'm surprised. We have weaker products than I think, and stronger crude than I think. So I'm scratching my head on all this.
Okay, Jeff, we appreciate the insight. We look forward to the next update. For The Street in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.